Jack, eat your eggs before they get cold, please.
I had the best dream ever last night.
What did you dream about, Anna? Tell us everything.
We went to a magical candy forest with lollipop trees.
A candy forest? That sounds absolutely amazing.
A candy forest? That's so cool. I wish I was in that dream.
Look, the trees had colorful lollipop leaves.
And there was a sparkling river made of chocolate.
This candy cane tastes so sweet.
Your imagination is wonderful, Anna.
Look, candy trees everywhere along this path. These gumdrop flowers smell so sweet and nice.
Wow, this candy cane tastes absolutely delicious. Now you can see far away, my little explorer.
I can see so far. This is the most amazing view.
This is the most beautiful forest we have ever seen. What a beautiful dream we shared together this morning.
I love sharing my dreams with my wonderful family.
Every morning can be special when we share love together.
Thanks for watching our adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our family on more exciting journeys. See you in the next video.